Introducing Small Jennifer.
How will you react to that kind of?
What took you so long?
Is it not peace? Is it not peace that was insulting you? She said that you are fat like this, that you look like bag of sand. She was even saying that that's why you have no man.
Please, is this place number 11?
And this place is number 11, yeah. Uncle, where are you carrying our gas?
Shut up and break this thing. Make sure you keep everything there. I want to see.
But Uncle, is it everything I'll break? Let me warn you. The next time you look for my trouble, the next time, what I'll do for you, you will not like it.
This country don't tire me.
Brother, no be only you the country tire. The way the country tire me, if you leave me, say I feel wrong, go Burundi, leave Nigeria.
Imagine. For Christmas like this, we don't even use our nose smell, say food.
Why you go pass it? You know how much we rice? 2 people. Mama Emeka and Mama Bina, 2 of them come together, do combine Christmas. One cook rice, one cook stew. You know today now. Today go find work, they employ them by 8 o'clock, sack them by 8:30.
This country,
Everything.
from cheap budget to budget. From budget, even for December, we don't use IC Hamatan.
When eclipse happen for the whole world, not only for Nigeria, you know.
How waiting our governments have been do now to be increase fuel, increase electricity tariff, increase price.
You know, say normally before people they shop for dream, but now nobody have to shop for dream now. And why are they happy? You hear say Two-Face one lead protest.
Two-Face.
Now.
Alaba parity work.
No, no be Alaba. Imagine Two-Face. We be say get money or where they alright to now they complain say the country don't hard.
My brother, if Two-Face they protest, I didn't say.
Yeah, they join now.
I say we join her for this.
About it, Okutu. I dey inside the year and another discuss about our leaders. Why don't they discuss every time they talk about our leaders? They don't do this, they don't do that. Even Bible say we should pray for those in authority. Instead of complaining, government they don't do this. Let's support them. No.
But you what Sabi pray? Why you no get one? Okay.
You don't know the price of rice. You don't know everything just they miss for this country. Guess our guess will not see. Budget will not see. You guys may talk now. President will not see.
As a citizen, if we stop to complain about the government, things will change. See, instead of celebrating all those negative things, why not celebrate the positive thing?
The only thing we're positive for this country now be HIV.
I thank God say I never get.
Me too, I no get.
Hey, kerosene, 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira. So that I bought 2,000 naira last week.
As child of God, we are not supposed to protest. Good afternoon, Jennifer. What about the kerosene I asked you to buy?
There's no kerosene. I even went to Mama Emeka. I went to Mama Ikem Jika. They said that there's no kerosene. That kerosene is not expensive. That is not 5,000 naira.
What? This kind of government be this. This kind of government. Kerosene I bought 2,000 naira last week. Which kind of prayer? Kerosene 5,000 naira. I say now they pray. Okutu. About it. When Two-Face wants start this protest, when Two-Face wants.
Yes, so one love, two Baba Day so. SCHOOL2 comedy. Keep watching, man.
Please also subscribe to our YouTube channel. In fact, I know you are already.
They don't do. They don't hear. Now my people they go subscribe. I know what they feed do.